Motor restaurant, the Barracks Petrie Terrace. Motor. Any excuse will do.
Pete, my receipts are complete.
Oh, well, that'll take off some heat.
With MYOB and receipt capture, you'll never lose a receipt or deduction again.
So, ready for neat receipts?
Done. Search MYOB and try it for free.
Play the ball. Reynolds passes it over the public barbecues. Oh, it's intercepted by Alex Glenn. Glenn runs through the amenities block. 2 steps a 10-peg. Jumps over the light-headed break, pumping up the air mattress. He's home and hose for sure. Oh, no, wait. He's ankle tapped by the tent rope. Glenn's gone face first into the tar.
With KO, nowhere is safe from footy. Watch every game of the NRL Telstra Premiership season anytime, anywhere in Australia on your TV or favourite device. Join KO today.
How would you like to win a stack of icy cold Suntory Boss coffee cans delivered to your work? Enter now at the Hit Win page online and the Black Thunders could be knocking on your office door. New Suntory Boss Coffee, Japan's #1 coffee in a can. From the top of Caxton Street, Brisbane's best hits and old school lives on Hit 105.
Hits like this. And old school like this.
Hits and old school.
In the best city in the world.
Brisbane's Hit 105. Brisbane's Hit 105.
Driving home this Tuesday evening. A great segment we do every week is Text Trauma, where we read out, we role play, don't we?
We do.
Break up text messages.
We've got the actual text, and if you want to hear about a relationship that was on and off for 3 years, where the guy had cheated on a girl before, then they got back together, and this exchange ended it forever, stick around.
Yeah, I'm excited. I don't know what we don't know what the other person.
You know, I don't know what your side says.
No, I don't know what my side says at the moment, but I know that it's gonna be fun.
I'm playing the dude today.
Hopefully, do justice to a woman.
You do that, Justin.
Hughes, we have reports of a relationship crashing and burning off the coast of Tinder. My God, not another one. Didn't we recover the black box? We sure did. Now stop wasting time. Get that thing open and let's see what went wrong. So, Leah and Thomas dated on and off for 3 years. Thomas had cheated on Leah before. That's why they broke up. But they got back together for 1 day. And then this exchange happened.
I shall be eschewing the role of Thomas.
And I will be playing Leah.
What are you doing tonight? Oh, come on,
Boys, playing a game of pool. After the game, I'm heading home. Oh, I'll see you after. Left yet? But, say, Leah, you're probably too busy hanging out with girls, guys. Right? What guys, you idiot? Get! Julian is here and his brother, that's it. And they haven't even been socialising with us. Yes, you're not talking to guys, you talk to everyone. I'm not taking this. I'm going home shortly and going to bed. This is another thing that annoys me about you. You say one thing and do another. You're just doing this to make me feel worthless. Oh, how are we saying you're talking to guys? He's making you feel worthless. I'm not talking to them. I haven't at all. I mean, I'll leave for a whole week tomorrow and you're out with other people. I'll spend time with you, but all good. You too, peace sign emoji. It's only 10:15. I said I'd leave at 10. I'm leaving shortly. You said 10 now, it's changed. What? Me, mate, I'm not waiting all night. This is not a big deal. You're making something out of nothing. I'm literally seeing friends that I haven't seen in 2 years. And I'm sober. And you want to spend time with others over me, then simply block me and then off. I don't care anymore. I don't care anymore either. You make me miserable. Then off. The only time you're happy is when I'm home alone and miserable. You're so controlling. I'm over it. I will. Bye. Good. See ya. Attention. I hate you. I haven't waited a single life to be back together 1 day and you're out. What are you doing? Brushing my teeth. You sleep over? No, I'm legit done. No point dragging this on. Something's gotta give. I'm tired of this. It's not worth it. I'm sorry. I wish you all the best in life. I will always be sad it didn't work out. I just can't do this. 2 missed calls. Just leave me alone. Not my fault, you're stupid. Wow. The passion. The frustration. Leah, we taking you back to that moment?
Oh gosh, in a whole different light, yes.
When you hear it out loud, Leah, what do you think?
It is cringe, very cringe.
Leah, he's awful. Why did you give this loser 3 years of your life?
On and off 3 years.
Well, one of them.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to break out of the cycle, I think.
We look back and we wonder why. But these things happen for a reason.
Yeah, they build you.
Have you changed your type? Because I've got to look at this guy. I don't like it. I do not like it.
Sorry, what was that?
Have you changed the type that you go for?
I've just been doing my own thing.
Good on you. They need a controlling guy. Doesn't let you play pool on his first day back with you after he cheated on you, didn't he?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Exactly.
Scumbag. You're better than him, Leah.
Well, unfortunately, Lee, you got yourself $500. Well done.
Cool, thank you.
Welcome. If you've got any of those messages, send them through, screenshot them, send them through Facebook. That is it from us today.
Votes. I need votes. I've been told I need votes.
Get to the voting machine. Text your phone.
Yeah, text Ed to 1995 10 10.
You can do it on the website as well, can't you?
It's on
Go
10 play.
10 play. Go to 10 play.
driving the fence.
Right.
See you tomorrow.
Missed any parts of the show? Catch up now via the Hit app.
My wife loves the podcast.
She's #1 fan.
She said, why do you keep saying I love the podcast like no one else listens to the podcast?
Because it's a ringing endorsement.
Brisbane's Hit 105.
Brisbane, listen up. It's time to head to the beach for fun in the sun. Australian Beach Netball is coming to Brisbane March 7. Get your team together, mixed or female teams, where everyone is a shooter, or just come and watch the fun. Event info and registration at australianbeachnetball.com.au. Beach Netball Brisbane. It's time to get back to the beach. Proudly supported by Hit 105.
At 1300 Home Tutor, we asked parents, what's their biggest worry?
My kids having no money and no future.
I'm just watching them struggle and make the same mistakes I did.
You're not the only concerned mum and dad. Trust your instincts. Get them the help they need now. 1300 Home Tutor can help all your kids get their schoolwork back on track for one low weekly fee. Scholarships available now. Don't wait. Visit 1300hometutor.com.au or
Phone 1300 Home Tutor. It just adds up.
Oh, it's raining. Should I get us a ride?
Yeah, good call.
Holy surge!
Unlike rideshare, at 13 Cabs, we don't boost our prices right when you need us. Avoid surge shock. Get the 13 Cabs app today.
Australia, meet Barry the Banana Bread, the exclusive new stickies at Shell Coles Express.
Everyone wants a slice of me.
A free banana bread stickies is yours when you spend $30 and purchase a banana bread for $2.50. Get the exclusive banana bread stickies only at Shell Coles Express. Terms and conditions apply. See in store for details.
the footy is back online. It's the exciting opening round ever. The biggest rivalries and toughest battles will have you on the edge of your seat. NRL new season starts March 12th on 9.
Turn right. I said turn right. Wake up. Have you had your coffee? Go straight to Hungry Jack's drive-thru. Pick up a $2 medium, 100% Arabica coffee. Just $2 all day at Hungry Jack's for a limited time at participating stores. Excludes ACT delivery at Jack's Cafe.
Hello. National Tiles has slashed the market price of Kimberley hybrid flooring by a massive $10 per metre. That's right. National Tiles Kimberley hybrid flooring at just $34.95 is $10 under the market price every day of the year. And with thousands of metres in stock, you can have this amazing National Tiles hybrid flooring without delay. So go to nationaltiles.com.au now and save.
First home buyers, we have some good news. Yep, Domain Homes has opened in Queensland. We make building a home faster, easier and so affordable. Like fixed price home and land packages in southwest Brisbane from $244 a week. Domain Homes is 100% Australian owned and backed by Clarendon Homes, and every home comes with a lifetime structural guarantee. Head to our new display centres at Yarrabilba or Cavella or domainhomes.com.au. QBCC 151 50852.
After having my baby, let's just say things weren't quite the same up top with my breasts. It was affecting my confidence, so I did something about it. Nothing drastic. I was just